Hi guys, welcome to my channel Innovative Bucket, and for making the bookmark I have cut a A4 sheet into two pieces and then again cutting it into four equal parts like this. I hope you all are ready with your stuff and you all are making it with me. So my favorite thing is to cut and paste. I think it gives a good finishing and it is very quick. So I'm pasting it on the yellow sheet so that it gives me a base of yellow color, and now I'm keeping it aside. Now I'm cutting the strips of red paper like this. Yes, now it is dried up, and after cutting it in the shape, now I will try to take an estimate that how to put these strips so that it looks little even, and after that I will make lines with the glue, because putting it on these thin strips makes it very untidy, and this way it is easier also and it makes your hands less dirty. Yes. And now after see, little less was there, so I'm putting one extra strip because ultimately we'll be cutting it off. And now I will keep it aside to dry it up. Now since it is Christmas, so I'll be making a sticker to put it on the bookmark. So here I am drawing a bell shape on the orange paper like this. It is not that clear in the video, but yeah, I used a light pencil, and I will make a bow kind of a structure because there is a ribbon knot above the bell like this. And if you're liking my videos, so please like, subscribe, and share the videos. It means a lot to me. Even one like means a lot to me. So now after getting these cutouts, I am pasting it on the white paper. There is a reason why I am pasting it on the white paper, so that it comes little, it is enhanced. And then I will make the border of both the images so that it looks more clear and highlighted like this. It is not necessary that you have to just touch the border. You can leave the border also, but it is necessary that it should be inside. It should not be outside the paper, colored paper. Now when I am cutting it, since I am making a sticker, I will make sure that I am leaving little white paper around the sticker like this. And see, now you can see how beautifully it has come out. Now I will cut all the extra paper which was there on our original bookmark. This yellow bookmark is self-sufficient, but since Christmas is coming, so we'll make it more festive for the kids. Now it's time to give it a final touch, and yeah, I am just pasting it here. I am I am putting it little above the bookmark so that it looks 3D. And thank you for watching the complete video.